Okay, hi there, friends. Welcome to day 4 of your 12 oils of the starter kit and what to do with them. So today we're going to talk about Valor. Okay, Valor is one of my all-time favorites, probably my first favorite emotional oil. And this is one that I was given after my mom passed away. And so it's a really good oil for courage and support and moving forward. I used it a lot for grief and just like being able to feel like I could do it. So this is one I love to send to school with Aurora, so she has it if she's feeling like she needs that extra courage. And it's also one that I put in my necklace that I wear every single day. I love this oil. I don't leave home without it. It's one of my all-time favorites. I really recommend it. It's great with other emotional oils. I always start there with the Valor. It's also really good for supporting your spine health. You can put it on your low back. You can rub it up and down your entire spine. And it's one of the, it's like the first oil they use in the raindrop treatment, which is like a oil massage therapy treatment. It's very impactful and whole body supportive massage, but it starts with Valor, so it's really good for that. I use it every day. It comes out a beautiful purple color, and it's wonderful. So get that Valor on those bodies, share it with your friends, and have a wonderful day.